Hello friends, today we are going to see MESTAC, which is an enterprise level digital transformation services and software for large and private companies in UK, US and India. Friends, it has 7 subsidiary companies. Mainly revenue comes from Trans American Information and MESTAC Canada Limited. Friends, and in US it ranks 27th as UK's fastest growing Indian companies. Friends, in UK government it provides so many services, unlock the power of data, develop and modernizing applications, accelerating digital advantage, delivering measurable value on Oracle Cloud Services. Friends, and its clients in UK, Home Office, Together, Morrisons, NHS Digital, Ministry of Defence and Justice, Metropolis, European Bank, Dixon Carplus, Banks and Loans, Security Industry of Authority, like this friends. In UK, it's having strong portfolio and coming to its Q1 results, total income up 59% at 403 crores and adding new clients of 48, taking its clients count to 253 friends, and net profit moved up 92% for 24 crores to 47 crores Q1 financial year 21. Friends, by looking this, it's showing very strong, and its chief finance executive officer Abhishek Singh said that its record free cash flow of 99 crores being 221% of net income, which enabled the company to prepay $6 million debit. It has $6 million debit, friends, but it is not an issue for this company. Why? Because it's having so many future growth and some acquisitions of small companies, and it provides in India it has some e-governance initiatives like government schemes to doorsteps of over 1.2 billions, e-scholarship programs in Odisha state and lottery system for Mumbai housing and area development for 28 states. These type of schemes it provides in 28 states. In AP, Jagan kept lottery system for giving houses to poor, but this company provides lottery system in software side. That is the difference, friends. And its partnership with AWS Cloud, Dando, Google Cloud, LivePerson, Azure, UiPath, Push Technology, Trust Hub, Detect Data. These all companies which processes with data visualizations, automations and ready to deploy IoT solutions and robotic process automations, data analytics, web development, like this, friends. And it's partnering with top most technology companies. And the main thing I want to share is our strategy was, if you buy a company, it has some subsidiary companies and it has to hold that subsidiary company shares. If that company performs well, our company also gains. Like this, MESTAC has MESJECO India Limited shares. Like this, MESJAC UK Limited, it is one of the subsidiary company for MESJAC Morristown, New Jersey company. It's a private equity insurance company which provides cloud-based insurance softwares, helps other insurances to modernize and innovative. Due to this, MESJAC sold MESJAC US to Thoma Bravo private equity firm of worth 4,452 crores, friends. With this deal, MESJAC India Limited receives 3,054 crores. So Mesjack India also moving upper circuits up to 850. Why? Because with this total revenue, for every share of Mesjack India will take 852 rupees. So it will move up to that. Present it is moving in upper circuit, it will break at 852 per share. And Messtack holds around 6.5% stack of Mesjaco US. So friends, recently it shares partial shares of 2 lakhs and worth of 11.3 crores, and it's holding 20 lakh shares itself. See friends, it's still having 20 lakh shares with Messtack of Mesjaco US stacks. So friends, with this you will get more benefited. If that company provides good performance, we also get good performance and share values. So friends, this is my update on Messtack and Mesjaco. Thank you friends, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel.